moving from manual and human-heavy processes to autonomous and AI-first processes, that is no longer just an experiment or a POC. It has become, the competitive advantage for enterprises. So that's what I'm going to ask you, maybe just one question in the interest of time that we have. I know everybody is looking to move out. So just from that angle, what are your thoughts as to, as we are moving towards the autonomous agents and all that stuff, right? When we are building automated workflows and everything, how do we make sure that the governance aspect of it is taken care of, right? We are not like sidelining those governance, the security and those aspects as we are trying to build rapidly. So what are your thoughts, Rituraj?
So I'll speak in the context of the banking industry, which is heavily regulated. It has been touched upon previously a few times. The idea is to bake it in inherently into every step. Now it's easier said than done, but that's the only way to have the guardrails set aside right at the design time.
Right, right. What are your thoughts, Bhavna, on the same lines, maybe?
Yeah, I think governance is not an afterthought, right? Like
Sure.
you said, it has to be in the DNA of whatever we do, right?
Absolutely.
I think the first step generally organizations tend to do is start with LLM implementation, and that's where you need heavy, strict governance, right? Because of the way people are using prompts, also protecting client-sensitive data. So there's a lot to it.
Yeah.
So it's not a gate, it's a necessity.
No, I completely agree, right? Yeah, it should not be the aftermath thing, and you should start with the governance and then start building. So Mayank, I have a question for you. I know you and I were chatting, and you said like you are doing some transformation on the workflows and all that stuff. So what is that one thing or the top thing that you think the AI brings onto the table?
I think currently for us, I think if the center of the entire universe of transformation is one which is customer.
Yep.
How is the customer experience and journeys and is going to change? If it is a one word for me, it is only going to be in customer experience, right from starting when he is introduced towards our systems or anybody's system, till he continues and goes through all among it. Like for example, all of us would have a couple of shopping apps on our phones, right? But whenever we think of buying something, we always go to our favorite app first. It's just about the customer experience, the journeys they create, the UI they create. And of course, it is supported with the well-documented company philosophies. But if you ask me, the one thing which is center of universe which we are trying to change is the customer engagement and customer experience.
Okay, customer experience. Yeah, I can understand, because as you transform those workflows, if you are ignoring the customer experience, then it doesn't make sense at the end of the day. But I think, yeah, in the interest of the time, I think that's what I wanted to chat with you guys. But those are very valuable, thoughts from your side. So thank you for joining us on this panel. Thank you. Any questions, anybody?
There are no people to ask questions.
Oh yeah, like everybody has moved for the drinks and all. So thank you everybody for joining us. I think the dinner and the drinks are ready for us.
Thank you.